Hello everyone and welcome back to the StockIt Inventory and Billing app. Today we are going to walk you through the process of how you can easily add multiple products in bulk within the StockIt application. So without further ado, let's get started. First, simply select the specific store location where you would like to add your products in bulk. For example, I am selecting a sample store right here to demonstrate the process. After selecting the store, you just need to go to the stock section here. As soon as you enter the stock section, you'll see an interface like this. At the top, you'll see the option for bulk upload. Simply select the bulk upload option from here. After selecting it, your dashboard will look something like this. Now what you need to do is you'll see an option here to download a sample. This is basically an Excel template, so all you need to do is simply download it. After downloading, just open it. Once you open it, you'll see that your Excel file has been downloaded here as a template. In this template, you'll find some products listed by default. You can simply edit this, remove items according to your needs, and enter your own quantities or products here. You can fill in all the details in the various columns you see here and add any other information as per your requirements. After entering the details, all you have to do is simply save it. After saving, you just need to come back to the application here and you'll see an option for file. Select that. After selecting, you need to upload this file here. Once you've uploaded it, you'll see a preview option here, so simply click on the preview option. As soon as you click, all the products you have added will be shown here, along with the details you filled in for each product and the quantities you entered. All those details will be displayed here. Now, all you have to do is simply click on Upload File. As soon as you click on Upload File, all your products will be added here at once in a single go. You simply need to come back here, and as soon as you return to the stock section, you will see that all the products you uploaded in bulk through Excel are now displayed below. So in this way, you can add more than one product at a time in the StockIt application. It's all according to your needs. You can add 10, 20 or even 100 products at once, as many as you want in one go. That brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch.